Glastonbury Festival was born in 1970, the day after the death of the late great Jimi Hendrix. The festival was attended by approximately 1,500 people with an entrance fee of just £1, which also included free milk from the local farm. The weather that day was dry, with no rainfall recorded at any of the weather observation stations around the site. The festival had been moved to the time of the summer solstice and was referred to as the Glastonbury Fair. This was the first year of the notorious Pyramid Stage, which was built on a site above the Glastonbury Stonehenge ley line. The maximum temperature recorded was 21.3 degrees Celsius. As we all know, the Glastonbury Festival is famous for its varying weather conditions. The 20th of June 1984 saw the hottest day at Glastonbury, where temperatures reached a whopping 27.5 degrees Celsius. 1985 was recorded as the windiest year to date at Glastonbury, with maximum gusts reaching 36 miles per hour. 4 years later, temperatures reached 26.6 degrees Celsius, making 1989 the warmest average year on record. While 1985 was a particularly wet festival with 43.8mm of rain, it's 1997 that's described as the year of the mud. Despite only a few millimeters of rain during the weekend, there was rain on 8 out of the 9 days leading up to the festival, with 78mm falling in total. Before the 1997 festival, about 110% of the average rainfall for June fell in the run-up to the opening day. When Travis took the stage to perform this song at the 1999 Glastonbury Festival, after being dry for several hours, it began to rain as soon as the first line of the song was sung. Travis played the same song in 2000 when it was dry, and so decided to throw water into the crowd to make it rain. The 2005 festival was delayed on the opening day by heavy rain and thunderstorms. Several stages, including the acoustic tent, were struck by lightning. The valley was also hit by flash floods, which left some of the areas under more than 4 foot of water. By 2007, £750,000 worth of flood defences were in place, so flooding was minimal, but it was still very muddy. At nearby Rodney Stoke weather station, 60.1mm of rain fell on the wettest day. In 2010, people celebrated 40 years since the first Glastonbury Festival in glorious sunshine. 2010 had some of the sunniest weather. Festival goers enjoyed 3 days of sunshine with temperatures soaring to 27.3 degrees Celsius on the 26th of June. To date, there have been 8 years with no rainfall recorded at weather observation stations in and around the site. This year, Worthy Farm in Pilton will see more than 137,000 music fans. So, will you be packing your wellies and waterproofs or a cowboy hat and sunscreen?